Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add a Westpac card to your Apple Wallet. So let's get started. So here you have to follow this simple methods. So right here we can see it. So first of all, if you are on iPhone, then you have to open your Apple Store. Okay, and if your a Westpac has been installed, okay, then you can use this method easily. Just click on your Apple Wallet, therefore click on the plus sign and select from the app on your iPhone as your Westpac. Okay. Then log in into your authentication screen. Then to select the card that you would like to add and follow the prompts and it will be added. If the Westpac is not installed in a phone, then you have to just click on same as go to the plus icon. Then you have to enter the manually the card details and follow the prompts. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.